Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 60 of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yeah, as I say, yeah, 2/3 done. Yeah, it's the engine control unit support and connectors, so very nicely detailed kind of part. I think a lot's going to go onto this, and some connectors. So we've got an L and an R, so I'm going to leave them in these bags for now, just to see if it makes a difference, but I probably will do. But yeah, I think this is all constructing. So without too much faff, let's get into it. This will be the build for issue 60. Okay, so I'm trying to work out where these go. So on the back, okay, so on the back you've got one with 2 and one with 1. So I'm assuming that you've got 2 connectors in this left bag. So I'm assuming they're the ones for the left hand side. So that's what I'm going to assume, and we're going to go with that. So these are the 2 connectors. And we're going to fit the left hand one first. Once again, D-shaped holes, D-shaped pins, I assume. Yep, D-shaped pins, I assume. Yep. So the left-hand one is going to go on the bottom. This is just push fit. And the red one in the top part. Yeah, just have to open that up a little bit, but that's what it looks like. Red and yellow, sorry. And now the right hand one, which is just a single one. And that's what that looks like. And it's difficult to see, but that's what that looks like. Yep, okay, not much to do on that one. That is literally it for issue 60. Okay, so that was issue 60 of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yep, just that one part again, kind of built up a little bit. Issue 61 is engine control unit and fittings. Yeah, so engine control unit and then fitting it onto the actual airbox on top of the airbox. So that will be issue 61 and will be coming up soon.